Yes, students. Now, factorization exercise 6E. Actually, we have done these questions yesterday also, and in this lecture, same formula we will use. Which formula? I'm writing here a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Based on that formula only, we have to solve this each and every question. If you not watch this video explanation, so you have to go through this video explanation properly from your Lotus Valley application, previous video explanation. Okay, now in this lecture, same type of question is there. So let's see one by one. Okay, so in this question number 21, that is given 4 upon 25 m square minus 64. That means we have to find out what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So we can say here is, we can write down for which number square? That is 2. And 25, 5. So we can say 2 upon 5 m ka whole square. Okay, 2 upon 5 m ka whole square. And similar way 64 which number square? 8. That means this is complete A and this is complete B. So write down A plus B, A minus B. So we can say 2 upon 5m plus 8 and 2 upon 5m minus 8. Okay, again similar way we have solved this question. Now we'll move next question. Let's see here. Question number 22. Basically in this question you have to find out the value of A and B. Okay, यही सबसे पहले आपका काम करना है. So now question number 22, let's see here. That is x square upon 9 minus y square upon 4. So all of you find out what is the value of A and what is the value of B. All of you find out the value of A and the value of B. Fast. Very simple.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, we can say here x square upon 9 is there, correct? So x square upon 9 we can write down x upon 3 whole square, correct? X square and 3 square, that is 9. That's why we can say x upon 3 whole square. And y square upon 4 we can write down y upon 2 whole square. Okay, now this is complete A, this is complete B. So again write down here, we can say a square minus b square is equals to a plus b. That means x upon 3 plus y upon 2. And in another bracket, x upon 3 minus y upon 2. That is your complete answer. Okay. In first bracket, दोनों number को addition as a addition लिखना है. And in second bracket, you have to write down as a subtraction. So that is your complete answer. Okay. Understood? Now next question. Let's see. Question number 23. Question number 23 also the same question. 36 upon a square minus 25 upon b square. Okay, all of you find out fast. Find out what is the value of a and what is the value of b fast. Okay, so let's see. 36 upon a square minus 25 upon b square. Yes. Okay, now it is good. At least 10 students on their camera. Okay, now let's see. X square. Again find out, write down x ka whole square minus 0.01 means we can say 0.1 whole square. 0.1 whole square. Why? Because we know 0.1 multiply 0.1 is equals to 0.01. कैसे है सर? ऐसे है. 1 जब 1 and after point how many digits? 1 here and here also 1. So total digits 2. That's why your point will be shifted before 2 digit. From right hand side 1, 2. That's why we can say 0.1 ka whole square. Okay. Now students see here. Now we can say a square minus b square again x plus 0.1 and x minus 0.1. So basically in this question, if you understand what is the value of a and what is the value of b, then after that same process, it is not hard. But इसमें एक चीज आपको देखना है अच्छे से, what is the value of a and what is the value of b in every question. That only we have to find out. Now question number 25. Let's see. Now 25, just wait. 25, I'm writing here 81 minus x minus 7 whole square. Okay, that is also very good question. 81 minus x minus 7 whole square. So find out all of you, what is the correct answer of this question? Okay, so one student asking what doubt. Yes, what happened, Rohit? Another thing, students, all of you watch this video explanation. Again, I'm telling you, if any doubt is there, जैसे ये explanation videos यहाँ पे recorded हो रहा, obviously the same recorded video explanation you have to watch from your Lotus Valley application. Okay, so still those students, suppose आपका now in live class 1-2 doubt is there, उस doubt को आप clear करोगे कहाँ पे? In the winning time today. Okay, because I will upload all the video explanation already. Still कल तक जो भी आपका videos already complete हो चुका है वो uploaded है, and today's video explanation you have to watch evening time. Understood? So see here, 81 minus x minus 7 का whole square. So first of all, our main work, we have to find out a square. So 81 means we can say simple 9 का square and x minus 7 का square. All of you just concentrate because here something is different. Okay, here a square minus b square. So we know a is equals to 9 and x minus 7. So write down a plus b. इसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but in case of a minus b, you will write down like this: a 9 minus x minus 7. This will be wrong because here this is a, okay, but here minus is there. When you have to write down minus, यहाँ पे एक bracket देना होगा. This is compulsory. A minus x minus 7. Okay, now you have to solve further. How? 9 plus x minus 7 you have to write down. In another bracket, 9 minus, actually this minus is multiplication with both terms. So minus plus minus x and minus minus plus 7. Okay, after that you have to solve furthermore. कैसे? 9 minus 7, 2. So 2 plus x, and here we will write down 9 plus 7, 16, and 16 minus x. That is your complete answer. Okay, so that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, so in this question something is different. अब जो आपका next question आएगा from question number, we can say 27. From question number 27, this question will be very good. That means level should be high. ठीक है, तो इतना easily मत लेना. Just try to understand and try to solve each and every question very properly. Okay, so all of you be concentrated now. अब तक क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 तक बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था, रियली. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू सी प्रॉपर्ली. ओके ओके, now your question number 26 is very easy. So question number 26 you have to write down as a homework. Okay, I am writing question number 26 homework. This is a very simple question. Now question number 28. So in this question number 28, 3x 27, okay, 3x cube y minus 243 xy cube. That is your question. Okay, actually here I am written 28th question only, but 27. Okay, no issue. I will just erase this part and 27 question we'll do first of all. 27, note down all of you. 18 square x square minus 32. That is your question. 18 square x square minus 32. Very important question, very good question. All of you be focused. See here, all of you. Now, in this question, what I have to do? Basically, in this question, we will not say 18 any number square. बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. And 32 also not having any number square. कोई सा भी numbers का square नहीं है. So how we will find out? Yes, obviously, we will take common. We will take common. Think all of you, which is the number we will take common? कौन सा number हम common ले सकते? Yes, 2. We will take common 2 because we know 2 9 ja 18 and 2 16 ja 32. Yeah, 16 2 ja 32. Yes or no? So that's why we will take common 2. If I take common 2, then here write down 9 square x square. Correct? 2 9 ja 18 ऐसे मत बोल देना. अगर हम यहाँ से 2 कॉमन ले तो 16 रिमेनिंग. नो, एक्चुअली क्या होता है? 16 18 means we know 2 multiply 9, and if I take common 2, then 9 remaining. Similar way, if I take common 2 from 32, then 16 is the remaining number. ठीक है? No issue. Now this is making a formula. Yes, we can say 9 which number square? 3. Write down here 3ax का whole square. Then अब आ गया ना हमारे पास स्क्वायर नंबर. एंड 16 4 स्क्वायर. यस, नाउ सेम प्रोसेस. राइट डाउन 2 मल्टीप्लाई a plus b, that means 3ax plus 4 and 3ax minus 4. That is your complete answer. Okay, done all of you? Understood? Yes or no? No, Raghav, we can't write down 2 into 3ax minus 4 का whole square. Actually, this is a square minus b square formula, and a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. That's why we will write down this one only. Aditya, very easy question, very easy question. Try to understand the concept only. Very simple. First of all, take out common and then same formula, same process. Okay? Okay, now we'll move next question. Question number 28. 3x cube y minus 243xy cube. Okay. So this is your question. 3x cube y minus 243xy cube. Now what I have to do? See here what I have to do? 3x cube y minus 243xy cube. Again we will take common. Okay, again we'll take common. See how? If I take common 3, then how many remaining? No, 3 we can't take common. 3 to obviously will take common, but xy also, because here also x cube मतलब क्या होता है? x multiply x, and here only x. So obviously we will take common x, and here y only, and here y cube. That means we will take common y. So if I take common 3x y, then here remaining x square only, because from 3 times x में से अगर एक x कॉमन ले लेते तो here x square remaining, and y तो हमने ले ही लिया तो y बचेगा ही नहीं. Minus if I take common from 243, sorry, from if I take common 3 only from 243, then 81 is remaining. 81 कैसे आया सर बोलोगे? 243 divided by 3. See here, 3 8 ja 24 and 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now write down 81, and here if I take common x, then nothing x is remaining. No, not a single x is remaining. A y square. How x square? Y square. ठीक है, यहाँ तक कोई इशू नहीं है. Yes students? Okay, now what have to do? 3xy write down as it is. X square, x का square only, and 81 which number square? 9y square. Yes, 81 means 9y square. Now write down same formula. we can say 3xy, write down as it is. Here x plus 9y and x minus 9y. That is your complete answer. Okay, very simple this question. Yes or no? Very simple question. Okay, very good. Okay, all of you tell me what is the answer. Okay, fast in your chat box. What is the correct answer? Let's see. Find out fast. I'm waiting for you only. Let's see. No. A square plus 9, a square minus 9. This is a not complete answer. Actually, this is a half part we can say. We can solve further also. Not a single answer is given. Not a single student given. All of you. Actually, we know a to the power 4 means a square whole square. Correct? A square whole square. तभी तो a to the power 4 आएगा. Similar way, now write down only 9 square, no issue. 9 square write down directly. Now we will consider this is a, this is b. So write down a square plus 9 and a square minus 9. You are thinking, sir, this is the complete answer. No, this is obviously not complete answer. We will find out, we will solve this part also. How? Because we know this is write down as it is, no issue. This one we can write down a square minus 3 square. Yes or no? A square minus 3 square. Because we know 9 is the 3 square. So write down a square plus 9 and here a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. That is your fully complete answer. Then, okay, very good. Yes, very good, Divyanshu. Now we'll move next question, okay. Let's see, question number 29 completed 30 question. Okay, 30th, जो आपका 30th question है ना, that you have to solve yourself. Because similar question, 29 and question number 30, that is just similar. Okay, 30 and 31th also, 31st also. Okay, write down 31st also, that is the question number homework. 30 and 30. Next, question number 32, very important. 32 and 30, that means 33. That both questions are very, very important. So all of you see here properly. So 32 question, x square minus y square plus 2x plus 1. Yes. Now all of you think first of all. How we will solve the question? X square minus y square plus 2x plus 1. How we will solve the question? Yes. Think all of you. Okay, first of all, actually you have to, all the factors you have to arrange them properly. How? X square, okay, and this plus 2x term write down afterwards, and after that plus 1, and this term you have to write down at last, minus y square, correct? Now all of you see here properly, this one, this is the formula of x plus y का whole square. Yes or no? See properly. इसको देखना ही नहीं आपको. X whole square and this one, that means we can write down 1 का square. Yes or no? And this 2x we can write down 2 into a into b. Think properly. X square plus 2ab plus b square. And this minus y square term write down as it is. ठीक है यहाँ तक? No issue. Now this is the formula. Which formula? A plus b का whole square. So write down x plus 1 का whole square. And this is minus y square. Done? Okay. Now students, all of you see it here properly. A square minus b square. Now write down x plus 1 minus y. Okay. X plus 1 minus y and x plus 1 plus y. चलो इसको प्लस कर दो and इसको माइनस कर दो. because we know a plus b, a minus b. That's why this is complete a, this is complete b. So a plus b and a minus b. That is your complete answer. Okay, very simple. Means in this question ये चीज सबसे important है. First of all, you have to solve this part. This will make a formula, है ना? X plus 1 का whole square and this minus y square another term, and these two term will make another formula, that is a square minus b square. Okay, understood all of you? Yes or no? Thumbs up one time. Very good. Now we will move next question and the last question. How we found there is a formula? Actually you have to use your mind. मैंने आपको सारे formula लिखा दिया. And in which question, which formula, which time, कौन सा फॉर्मूला कब लगेगा वो आपका क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको जाना पड़ेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आपको इस क्वेश्चन में यही फॉर्मूला लगने वाला है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन. नाउ विल मूव क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4y स्क्वायर माइनस z स्क्वायर माइनस 4xy. Now this question also just same way you have to solve. Just same way. See how we will solve. Fourth term is there. First of all think which term will write down together जिसमें आपको कोई formula बन जाए. So we can say x square that minus 4xy that plus 4y square and this z square send outside. Now this is making a formula again. See, hit properly. This is x square, correct? X square means x square only. 4y square we can write down 2y ka whole square. Yes or no? And this middle term we can break like this, 2 into a into b. अब आप एक बार चेक कर लो. 2 2 जा 4, yes. xy, yes. Come. So this is making a perfect formula of a minus b का whole square and minus z square write down as it is. ठीक है यहाँ तक? No issue. Check it here all of you. Yes, Prachi, let's see why your answer is correct or not. Now this is x minus 2y का whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square and minus z square also. Now I think all of you understood. This is a, this is b. So write down a plus b, a plus b and a minus b. That is the correct answer. Okay, that is your correct answer. Okay, no issue. Very simple question, not so simple question है कि actually ये, but आपको थोड़ा बहुत यूज करोगे ना ब्रेन, देन यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा बहुत आपको आइडिया हो जाए इस टाइप का फॉर्म क्वेश्चन होता है, देन यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके.